everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing what I got my kids for Christmas. So if you are new here or you don't remember the ages of my kids, I have an 8-year-old boy, a 6-year-old boy, a 3-year-old little girl, and a 8-month-old boy. So we are very intentional with our gifts because they get gift cards and gifts from other family members as well. And I don't want just tons of stuff coming into our home when they already enjoy the toys they have. Honestly, I don't even declutter their toys that often because they like what they have, and we're very intentional with what they have and even what they use their gift cards for. So we try and get them to buy things that they really like and really talk to them about that. So we have 2 gifts each and then a few bigger items that are for all of them or for one specific person, but then they're going to end up sharing it. And some of the gifts as well for the specific kids are gifts that are things that will be shareable. Something that they can use with their sibling or will need to use with their sibling or us. So I will first start with my 8-month-old. So honestly, we only got him one thing because we don't know what he likes yet, and we've got a few things here and there when we've needed it, but we don't know what he likes, so he can play with the toys that his siblings had, or we have a bunch of baby toys that he can play with now. So we didn't want to go ahead and bring in too many things for him, but we did pick up this halt light from IKEA. These were on clearance a while ago, and we picked one up for my daughter, and she loves it, and our 8-month-old really seemed to like it too, so we decided to pick him up one. So it comes with the light, and then you put batteries in here and you just click it and it turns on, and then you get this super cute bunny, and you can go to sleep with this and it's safe. And you open this up and stick the light in here, and then it shines through this white part. So this is something that he can enjoy now, and then something that can continue to bring him joy as he gets older, and then he can have it in his bed with him when he's a little bit older. So I'm so excited for him to have his own little bunny light up toy. So that is what we got for my 8-month-old. And then moving on to my daughter, her big item, most of them are like 2 big items, but she got this. She loves Gabby's Dollhouse. All my kids love Gabby's Dollhouse, at least the older ones. So she got the Gabby's Dollhouse Sprinkle Party Sweet Treat Set. So she has the Gabby's Dollhouse kitchen. We got it from some Christmas money from some relatives and gift cards, and she loves it, and she has a ton of kitchen toys, so she's going to love this. Anything coffee, sprinkles, cupcakes, desserts, she's there. So I'm super excited for her to see this and add that to her kitchen accessories. And then she's also getting this, and you'll see she's getting another gift as well that's like a joint gift, so she will be getting that too. But this is another Gabby's toy. This is the Gabby the Brave and the Dragon from the Cat Adventures. So she's going to love this. And then I will do my 6-year-old. So he has been asking for a marble run for a while. They have one at the church in the Sunday school to play with before they start the lesson and after or during. I don't really know how it works, but they have a marble run at the church, and he loves it, and he wants to stay after and play it. He's like, I really want to get a marble run. So we were looking at different ones, and we decided to get him this. This was on sale right after Prime Days on Amazon for a really good deal. This is the Picasso tiles magnetic marble run set. So he already has the magnetic tiles. They have a set of them that they all play with, and we thought that this would be really fun to add to their collection, and then it's more intentional. It's not another toy but it's something that they can use with the toys that they already have. So I'm really, really excited about this. I am excited to see how this works too. He is going to love this. And then because we love sensory bins in our home and we love kinetic sand, and my 6-year-old really likes these sand bins, so does my 8-year-old, but they're always asking for sand bins. If I take a sand bin away, they're like, no, put it back, or can you make another sand bin? So during Amazon Prime Days, I saw this, and this is a kinetic sand game, a board game. So it is the sink and sand game. When the quicksand falls, will you stand tall? So you like put sand on top here and it can like fall down. So I thought that this was really fun and something that they can all play together, and I think he's really going to like it. They've really been getting into board games. So was super excited to find this for half price for him, and then they all get to play with this together and enjoy it together. And then for my 8-year-old, he is into Legos, so is my 6-year-old, and my 3-year-old is getting into it, but my 8-year-old, he can build all the things without the instructions, and he could build like the biggest set. So he has been asking for the Gabby's Dollhouse Legos. He has a few of them already from like birthdays and stuff, or he used his birthday money for a few of them, but he is getting the Gabby's Dollhouse Kitty Fairies Garden Party, and this has 130 pieces, so this will be really easy for him to build, but he's just really excited to collect the Gabby's Dollhouse Legos, and he asked for these specifically. And then this was going to be a joint gift, but we decided to give this to him, and then he can still share it with his siblings because this is like a table activity and it was an add-on to some pieces we already had. So we got this during Amazon Prime Days as well. This is the construction set in a box, 48 wooden pieces. So it's like little wooden pieces and screws. So we have a small set of this that is not complete that we got from my dad. He picked it up somewhere and it wasn't complete, and they really love it. So when we saw this on sale, we thought, let's go ahead and grab this. We can add it to the box and interchange it, and then maybe use this tray for something else, or use the tray and the box together. But I'm excited to add to that wooden piece and give them another project to tinker with. So this will be a new activity for all of the kids, but that will be going to my 8-year-old. So then we decided to go ahead and grab them a few more things that was like a joint gift, because they all really, really like these items, and they will like these items because they've been hinting at them. And so we saved a lot on these Christmas gifts, so we went ahead and grabbed them a bigger item. So we picked up this for all of them. It will mostly go to my daughter. It will stay in her room, and I'm sure over time it will go to her, but my boys really want to play with this for a little while, and I love that they can go and play with her with it. So this is the Gabby Cat Friendship Cruise Ship playset. So they have the dollhouse. They got it a few Christmases ago. It was also a joint gift divided by the 3 of them, and it comes with 18 pieces, so a few characters, and then there is like 2 more rooms that you need to add in if you want to, and I'll probably go ahead and pick those up for birthdays because my 3-year-old and my 8-year-old have birthdays early in the new year. So yeah, they are going to be super excited about this. So then we got this item, this next item, mainly thinking for my 6-year-old, because he is the most active out of them all. He's the one that's wiggling about. My 3-year-old too, but he just like is constantly spinning, constantly running in the house, even though you tell him not to. So been trying to think of something that he can do. He loves to go outside. He has a bike. He has a Strider bike, and all of the things, but something to get his wiggles out. So we picked up a plasma car. So we thrifted this off of Facebook Marketplace, hence these stickers, and it needs to be cleaned, but it was $20, and these retail for $50 to $100. So I have been looking a lot on Facebook Marketplace, especially for something local. Like all the good deals, you're gonna be spending like $5 to $10 in gas prices, but this one was super local. So $20, didn't really pay anything in gas. So I'm super excited about this, for him to just get his wiggles out and go on outside and just have something different outside. And of course, all of them can play on it. And if it is a hit, maybe we can search Facebook Marketplace for 2 more as well. We'll have to see. We only have so much space outside in our little backyard area, but I am super excited for them to try that out and get their wiggles out and burn some energy and just have some fun. So that is everything that I got for my kids for Christmas. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So definitely stick around if you like that kind of content, and turn on your notifications because you don't want to miss a video. I am uploading every day for Vlogmas. So I will be back tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 8. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.